Hey guys, so today I have a MSI GamingX Geforce RTX 3060 graphics card. So we're going to get this plastic wrap off of it. So there isn't too much RGB on this graphics card. So this is the front of the box, the back of the box, top, side. It's a 12 gigabyte card too. Here we go. Pretty nice box too. This is nice. Nice file. Let's see what we got in this envelope. Looks like the manual. This is cool. This is a little graphic on how to upgrade your PC with a new graphics card. That's actually really cool. Probably make it super simple. Creative way. That's really cool. No stickers in there though. So that was really cool. And then here's the card. Got it in the static wrap. There's a card. 2 fans. We got 3 display ports and 1 HDMI on this. So that was an unboxing of the MSI GamingX Geforce RTX 3060. Thanks for watching today, guys, and I'll see you next time.